I lost more than 50% in one single stock, and this is the biggest investing lesson. Last year, I made a decision that cost me more than 50% on my investment in one single stock today. At the time, I thought I found a great investing opportunity in the stock market. But instead of making money, I watched my investment slowly collapse. And today, the stock price nosedived more than 50% in one single day. In this video, I'm going to share what happened, what mistakes I made, and some powerful investing lessons that we all know, but we tend to forget. Now let's talk about the stock that cost me 50%. Some time ago, I invested in this single stock that I thought was a great investing opportunity. It had huge potential. The company looked promising. The fundamentals looked absolutely fantastic. The dividend yield was great for income. It was also considered a TSX growth stock with high insider ownership. That means insiders were buying. The stock was undervalued and it had more than 50% upside potential. So everything looked great in terms of investing opportunity for long-term income and growth. So I bought some shares and I added to my investing portfolio. At first everything was great, then something started to change. The stock price started to drift lower. At first I thought it was just the normal volatility of the market. Then it dropped another 10%. And today the stock price nosedived by more than 50% from yesterday's price, and they announced a dividend cut. Watching an investment fall by 50% was not easy. I started to ask myself questions like, shall I sell this stock? Shall I hold, hope it recovers? Did I make a huge mistake? I'm sure many investors have gone through similar experience in their investing journey. And this is where the emotions begin to take over: fear, regret, and denial. If you follow my channel, you know I always try to sell all my positions if there's a dividend cut. This is exactly what I did today. I sold all my shares of this particular stock at a loss of 62% from my purchase price. I purchased them at $131.80 per share, and today I sold them for $50. What a pain. So you must be wondering, which stock is this? This stock is Canada's top non-prime consumer lending stock. It had a market cap of over 1.8 billion Canadian dollars as of yesterday. Today, the market cap has reduced to less than 800 million Canadian dollars. The name of the company is Go Easy Limited with the ticker symbol GSY. You can go to any financial website and read all about the details why it dropped today. So the biggest investing lesson is, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Use proper money management rules. If you have a larger account, maybe 2 to 3% of your account portfolio should be used to buy one position. Alternatively, you can also buy ETFs or exchange traded funds. I made several videos on exchange traded funds, not only for income but also for growth. So my question is, have you ever experienced such a huge loss in your investing journey? And what did you learn from it? You can write in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your family and friends. If you enjoy learning smart investing strategies for long-term growth, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. This is David Das from thinkandretire.com signing off. See you next time.